Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are quite well. And today we'll going to discuss on electrochemistry, and rather very precise, we will going to solve some tricky numerical problems on electrochemistry. And our first problem in our whiteboard, which says a zinc rod, a zinc rod dipped in zero point 0.1 molar solution of zinc sulfate, and the salt is 95% dissociated at this dilution at 298 Kelvin. We all know that zinc sulfate is a strong electrolyte, therefore it dissociates 95% at the dilution. At this dilution means when the concentration of the salt is zero point 0.1 mole at 298 Kelvin. So calculate the electrode potential, and given that the standard electrode potential from of zinc double plus 2 zinc, this sign this sign signifies the process is zinc double plus 2 zinc, zinc double plus 2 zinc, mind it. So this electrode potential given standard E0 means standard electrode potential is point minus 0.76 volt. So this process is not visible because the E0 is minus. So the process here, when a zinc rod is chipped, that means, so there is a solution like this. So this is the solution is zinc sulfate. The solution is zinc sulfate, and this is zinc rod. So in zinc sulfate, what happens in zinc sulfate? Actually, basically in zinc sulfate, just dissociate as zinc double plus plus SO4 double minus. So concentration of zinc sulfate is 0.1 mole, and it is 95% dissociated. 95% dissociated. Therefore, concentration of zinc double plus will be 95% of zinc sulfate. That means 95 into 0.1 by 100, which says 0.095 molar. That means this is the concentration of zinc double plus ion. This is the concentration of zinc double plus ion. This is 0.095 molar. So the the process E zinc to zinc double plus, it will be given as 0.0591 by 2, because the electron transfer here we may write that the process is when the zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate. When the zinc rod is dipped in the zinc sulfate, the process happens. The zinc double plus ion, after taking 2 electrons, it gives zinc. So basically what happens, what happens, the zinc from zinc sulfate, Zn double plus ion, Zn double plus ion from zinc sulfate solution will be deposited on the zinc rod. So zinc rod gradually becomes thicker. So, and this is 1 by concentration of zinc double plus. And here again it is given, the E0 value is given, which gives minus 0.76 volt, and it will be 0.0591 by 2, and we have already derived the concentration of zinc double plus ion, so it gives 0.095. So after the computation, it will give the value. What the value it gives? 0.76 volt minus 0.0591 by 2, and this portion gives the value of 1.0223. So after computation, it will give the value of 0 point minus 0.7902 volt. So basically the reaction involved, the main reaction, the main reaction involved, the main reaction, how this equation comes, the reaction involves here. What happened when the zinc rod is dipped, when the zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution? So from zinc sulfate solution, Zn double plus ions, from zinc sulfate solution, Zn double plus ions gradually deposited on the zinc rod. So at the zinc rod, after taking 2 electrons, it becomes zinc. Okay, so this is the formula, and if we apply Nernst equation here for the process, Zn double plus to Zn equals to Zn double plus to zinc minus minus 0.059. So here the electron transfer is 2, therefore the value of n is 2, therefore it is 2, so log. And the zinc in solid form, so zinc in solid form, so the numerator is 1 and denominator only one reactant, that is zinc double plus, so that is the concentration of zinc double plus. So the answer is minus 0.7902 volt. Okay, my dear student, so hope you will you learned something out of this class. So in our next class we will discuss some more important numerical problems on this electrochemistry. So stay tuned and subscribe our channel. If you do have any queries, you can write in the comment section. Till then, goodbye.